Hello, agus fáilte hí na seanslaí mas maiile seansa ghlaú glaciad na seanslaí is mu fiúma go lechaide agus tan saoú hart. Sorry folks, her hiúil na shorts, brat summer creeknia, her hiúil an suntan, her hiúil an Uachtar Rocha, her hiúil an this little funny specks of white in the shades the fact that ahanana le féile nó really can you really jarg like flamey the fact that ahanana tan saoú hart. Iron Jumper season is in. Mar is féidir le daáil. Tá man seo marscra lehuiid cairde le mu cólaí ar dúspáir mu seo le aine bhíar aine go mar tú.
Tá mis go bra le séar an óir. I mean is Gilmore Girl mé, so tá go bra leis an aesthetic show. A walk tú nerd show le Janie, it's like trying to decide if you're a hoa girl or where you lead I will follow girl or so Twilight no Gilmore Girls. I mean, beidir go me lá Valley idir an dácean.
Is Gilmore Girl who Kevin Gate.
Bhíoh mé ma twihard so ní higlum go homlan sin achan, go goine sin.
Ó bhí atneogam sa áirte nar a bhímsa ag fannacht de haachsa. It's like Gilmore Girls 24/7. It's Gilmore Girls not friends, and I'm going to cap them in go mé se Gilmore Girls and Tamar Fadinis.
Oh, go Joe. Yeah. Ach ní má abal a stopú canún. Ho, 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 ho. A ní bháin mise tá Cailín dul hartar an seo gluise mé hús a trom lapa canú sin le sin.
I mean, it's banger it. It's banger it na agus you know what? No, níam chuna dhéanú. Do gcóí dearmlam hain like Patrick is curma tús like Gilmore Girls like to try and find out the what the vibe is, but I just don't know. I don't think Gawusha.
Why not? Come on.
I don't think Gawusha Dusa.
Well, did Cailín Gansey ceart. Cailín Rory sin sa pilot, cailín si Aaron Jumper, no joke. Count oversized cos latsa, so do it. Go on.
I'm in Gilmore season, but I just don't think go Hanik ma chafad ma Moulin Rouge re chatting chin and I thought it was absolutely shite.
Yeah.
No, I know, but as in like Curriculum but absolutely gaffalish, and I'm like, I just know that Visagum that I wasn't gonna be for me, and I was just like, I just need to get it out of the way. I guess sorry, I'm so taken aback by
I know
James.
It's like because the camera, because the camera Ireland's for his family, and GoPro has been shot. Okay, it's an angle show similar.
Sorry, there's a Kurt Bush. He's getting absolutely soaked.
Yeah, so the full on crotch view. The James.
Sorry, so funny. Oh my god. That's a me shock of voice in head.
I don't know. She'll work out the quid the Canal-D.
God love him.
It's like Survivor.
It is like Survivor. Cool shot.
But camera tan ceol the creche Gilmore Girls as she'm gonna name to les Jen and Carol King and done clár, yeah, le inín seki.
Oh my god.
Apt mar an storyline na ma her agus inín, so sin special da. Agus the Carol King sa show. Bin she gastro at the show, so.
The chance that I'll be converted agus chance go mé ma tóca leis agus I can't think bhfuil ma tóca leis tá man seo fásta le James of Florida James trimmer that too.
Yeah, well, bhí me ag gcéire átáil an sin le tafadína agus mééis bhar riochtart agus se chubáistí stas mu timú le benches, but obviously tá rain warning inis ó mar clia, so tá se brutal an seo. Yeah. Bhí me sin rangu ach den tháinig rangusteach so sinna fá bhíar mé wacht.
I mean, mata dinner be Gary and lagan fishan the shinek.
Yeah.
Higlum mara gasáilte na ro agran na ro two smarshin reogan the agran hana.
No, cliche.
Relocation.
Agus more there's Hugh tá on Sour Heart because Dan Bosch like brutal. Yeah. Dan Bosch of brutal like.
A country relocation bhí mujig an Jerry Rave an sin ag conrú ag an Jerry Seachtainge agus seo in this shit, which we're now in like the dying stages of conrú na Gaelic. A mé tú jeús turs an bhainile and you solar drit.
Absolutely not.
What? Come on!
Tá mé dul ceolchoirm a nocht le Cailín agus James san Academy stonam? Yeah.
Yep.
Agus no, tá mé just go le ágal. Do you know what? Bhí ihe Michael leor agam caiici seo hen trí seachnío hen ihe mór agus sílam gur grid me an doras an ihe sin literally agus ahan bhealach just tá réile sláán ará fa chunne coppla bliana inis, mar níl me se ábalta fa chuní helas chunrú agus an sin dulsús go dár an snéir in ééis sin a chéad leile be me marú.
Coward. Absolute coward. What if
back?
Back. What if though Sean go raibh Michigan chunrú amara? Listen, who's to say?
An ocht?
Bedger, yeah. Probably not, but Bedger. What do you call it? The wrestling show or show in up in Monaco. The Fight Factory 17th anniversary show. Agus, listen, I just think bitch I crack mine. So Shanska Shin in warehouse in Acula listen North Circular. So BYOB faster. So listen, James, but the Gary and Giga Ditchal is just a tart lumsa hig BYOB wrestling.
Hey!
I'm just saying.
Bhí sé agad sa minic leornis tá sin na cónaí mai le clia. Ní aim se inam le ceaptar go níos mó. So na bhí a good hiúil.
Listen.
No, that quit on the starring, so Nima gonna go, but how am I gonna McQueen it? That's the main thing.
Hey, lad, Alex
Warren.
Alex Warren. Higla ticket de Canuck Beiger Mac Reseller Ticketmaster is Chatling.
Alex Warren, no wrestling.
Which I deal to
Tá sé díalta má le tamil, yeah. Is YouTuber é turned kilter. Agus bhíoh sé sa Hype House agus an sin dag sé. Tá sé post le Cailín ví sa Hype House. Ach tá an ceol just cheesy, catchy, classic James actually. Could ví a gom nar chuime ag James dar me tanno an duine seo leat dúirte honey Sherma Spotify weekly. Honey sé níos mar suggested music to James. Been there, know all the words.
Do you know Kaimaji Yenush is just Kahimuj, you know, in the Spotify is created an AI playlist Yenu comparing just like blast James at Amshu and try and see Nish and Mimage on the Mitch on like the road the gas or like just Kermit shot like sad country pop animation. Would that just be half of James's playlist already?
I would definitely say so, yeah. Yeah. Like you shouldn't keep forget just really thought. Like my brother on Netflix, the Lahana. Because my brother made show new Jeff Goldblum Sean Chaos.
Oh yes.
Agus tá Ashbury éad nach Sean, Ashbury in the Hoa. So opening episode tá Farron and Casa just getting or on waking up raw yells who are like, jeez. I hope good on Spotify. How much down on Spotify? We should on because number one of my playlist will on.
To do actually predictable. Like it's almost like in fairness in Jentingson, I know Cave during the faster where it'd be McGurk running art and I'm like add that to the playlist. Like I want to kind of Shaw
in all fairness, it's just like it's cool like Alex Warren, my Asian trainers that cool waiting to give for breakups like Rudy Brain, but like when cool wake up hits different to gym. Like turns you into a different beast. Like because they do like really skipwy agus.
James, I don't know what Kevin will Orozco for Alex Warren. Ag Lord na Horn should actually feel like Kyle Shea Bert Hishmore agus Draher. They're not just breakup songs, they're like death songs. She's James like a bit of a breakup, like literally the loss of his parents.
Customer Canswy is breakup song. A father their hookshin aid umada, Jean being that rated at us Budach.
Well, I don't know what to Lanunch Ledani or like actually to highlights I get chat niece or my Snapchat for Connie Shagan. Agus it's a lig Cailín Shavelin Dig like as he'd like a queen as much just a sound away James and Jens so roar to shut a queen agus you know like and I mean camera door low for Conya Ahan Rod so Jen she taffed her Ahan show on could go like compilations tionchaire so fine she'd galore shots than look taking it someone that to Lua queen you she'd the eye agus by two or like YouTube video with millions of views. Come on, Joe.
immortalized. Nach bhí sin an rud is smóg ar féidir. Na
Yeah.
dénig cinnte just go bhfuil like tionchaire that just says Seansálaithe or just to be 100% sure. And listen.
Yeah. Craim muid an Joker hat or James.
Just go basic dingy. Bhí sin gas though. Bhí sin ansimil le feicáil. Because that's like a whole world that was complete. Like the ceolchoirm show that are like all these like influencers turned like random, like the James Charles Galloway in Blanchardstown.
But ní session over the Ganu.
Listen, that's not ruled out just yet. But
Here the encryption. Whoa.
Whoa. No, but I mean, as in like the D absolutely gafa leis. Like there's gonna like to the Kate Galloway in Blanchardstown of all places.
Like it's Comelo care the crohin and the nisha. It's just matashi the curvadig na Macedonian ta sheets tan Atlantic gold taku lesh come Kibay rud the on.
It's a whole different world, dude. So like near clushing like sold out like Academy show again last that I've literally never heard of in my life. I'm like madness.
I thought Alex Warren actually go back on it, but the Alex Warren go back on it. I guess you should not go warm mission off for Alex Warren, not on Kana, not
on YouTube.
Had him like, no, not YouTube, not influencing, nothing. Just watching he said more, New Music Friday, new like Discover Weekly, and they get him like, two I'm skating. I'm sure could just go, go actual ceolchoirm, yeah. So,
Well, I suppose go Atlantory sege og galore an hype house and like actually tartar fi a tree fi a caher. So like na dinita lanu tan og agus during America. Ní rosa gum so YouTube but dark me in clár and hype house in Netflix just me all grow curiosity. Ogum so sin dog war mission halfway. But yeah, ní vec dini ari shall lanud.
Well, couldn't you get near yarn this day in Aaron near yarn this the Iraq at Hype House for the Yanu in Aaron?
Yeah.
The Goat House. The Shin fucking and Yanha like say more hamlet there this like I don't know if you were like a chunker or whatever, I guess Carter cast art like and Yanha, a chuck in Chakshog as well. You too arrogant, they are to just have a estate with all these content creators 24/7, like and Yanha
Well, bheith sé circus le Big Brother bhela mar tá tú I ggóiltá deala daoine nálaon taithí go bheith a coní lo.
No.
I don't know because mohim se gcóí gohfuil electric picnic nó fel na galí nó ceanna bíogus sin an chos leis an sort setup céine sin tá tú brúte le daoine fuganne deir seach nómlan agus caiitú fáile má hanan siad leat as clover diganí an nach daní leat. So siadm gur leir trí lá, ní thuglumm sinna dhéana go fád terma. Nis, tá má ceann fuchuine na gail. Síle go bheith roiint crack an sin a go ríis beidir caiici sé bhéad ní holum mar ag an fatir mai héana.
It's not even just like go out to the horn look at it, it's that you're just filming each other constantly.
Ar fad.
From time or fad, like
I know sib sé.
Not a fear.
No. James would hate every single second of it. Absolutely.
Oh yeah, like really good on it. Like it was like generally you might get like see she's agus just better brand new Bulgarian sports they were ridiculous, but these lads would just be
but James
in your face. No, in fairness I think in social content map because what my whole groch might just get like punch on the phone ma love
because leis an tiismór sin a bhín crosta ar TikTok ach tá go gúil si de gasrat.
Oh yeah. Sin
bheith James a gastra.
No.
Hugh, I think what does actually go my though.
No, I think Vince like ní bhíimsa like tafod in mud Shammer and Tamar Fad like like and
I beg to differ.
Not on Gomininic, not in Tamar Fad agus like I just think like nertu is the le mascan that sin whatever where it's almost like okay K-dai which can like aside this group Gary the Genu and all you can think of is like how can I turn this into content like Nivima Genu Shin which is go comes more than it's just near test lie jokes stupid like just
no yeah but I think my walk to some environment and going to the niche jokes agus come off a go náid go má leat, like ní bhachtú just creating content for the sake of it, like bhachtú actually sanna rutí maithas, like.
I would be such a different vibe a hamming Ella is the suggest. Like about our fad, like the beauty influencers, like in the mommy chicken fillet roll wooden spoon immersion, like for the immersion whatever, and then I'd be like weird avant-garde, like fucking atch Steve Sakar now like coming up with the weirdest shit, like, and they'd be like Cailín Hoa Hoa with a lad stealing, like, you know. But earn content ruching though, just fact Magonish is I mean, it's a ruddy over your YouTube, like Oblivion and whatever, but like the family vloggers, agus thingy like genu stuff mahas pláistí saku, agus nist ma fecal like the carja gomanish that will pláistí aku, which is terrifying, but go mean should like a cosint a Lanav saku, agus either her ruddy sus or Instagram. And I'm like, and yan ha pissin rud Kierna. I think yes, like do so. I think yanning a just live.
Yeah. Jackar fis a bheith got go dtí go mín leanú agat ach té go mé ar bhealach mar níl an páiste a tuairt consent so gur sin le bheith ceir camera agus dunar bhí óin in lasas sin like a bhac tú an sort scandal faoin bhí banner YouTube agus bhí bín si gcónaí chur videos náide de chlánsci is for madú boss so bhí an páiste cuiinú sa char agus rinne si agahort cóholgur físa ag gur ag sí an footage istí agus is rá like here honey look at the camera now and look really sad and he's like I am really sad ma'am. She's like yeah but look now and put your head on my shoulder just a little bit yeah just like that we need it for the thumbnail and being posture like clearly scurus the co-brona faoin madú fáil wash as bachom leifi sin it was just an thumbnail aisle and this dog she's a video
so bad like
so bad.
And Kindle I'm said Tamar Fadinus, James. I don't know. I feel like this would be on your TikTok pasta is the Costco guys. I don't know which is fact good. That's just like no, that was just fact good, James.
No, it's in Crushester, but basically more some
AJ and Big Justice. Yeah, lad shot as America, whatever. It's like an her and he's this big bald fella with like the Sulamore garm or whatever, and like the strongest eyebrows you've ever seen. And then Moxiga, whatever, who like Arkansas Gilmore Girl, but just with like a hair transplant. I was just sharing to the hand that everything is either a boom or a doom. I was just being like, boom! We bring the boom. Being Aran Aku, extension and Dow secure in the Ahanila Ur.
No, yeah, I can imagine at all.
And they eat double chunk chocolate cookies. No,
yeah, agus cén si distá and gen in the videos like we're the Costco guys. Of course we take samples even if we've had the food before.
No, but like it's just like the fish and Foster Kinnell's sort costless and banshin. No, it wasn't as bad as like in Rudvin banshin and it was like scandalous, whatever. But the lads obviously be like behind the scenes the and the taffas running out. And basically being at her like no generation up no like generation up like okay no shadow items or whatever and it was just like really like boom 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 whatever but I reached like there's just the general like a land argued as Westy Saku and like the dingy on at Martishmori that are like almost like designing their children leve more like child influencers I guess like a genuine wad a lamb and argued as na ládsin or as na pláistí and it's just like fucking hell like you know
mar sin an aibe bhí an le I suppose páistí hí na astóí léonto hin agus go róirthú na rialacha le seo thuirt stá but níl an chosan sin ná nar hagann sé ag áhar chur in Italy níl na srínta nó na rialacha cé ná an hiagla a fáiste a chur a gobar an méid gur mín leat rialaí ar in Italy agus cén ceart atá acu sin.
Yeah.
Okay, they just got a raw against them brand new for Loher. Agus.
Oh, go on.
It's a guilty pleasure, but they was brand new
oh no.
The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives.
Mormon Wives!
Yeah,
the Secret Lives of Mormon. What the fucking Ahanning a Gurker and Clár Shaw. I feel like I'm going crazy because mission thing awang Nachwell Gurker, but literally housemates are father Gurker, but courage elegant and now A2 James
A2. Dark Mission and Kate episode agus fós ní higaman hype ní me an go fáil.
Oh, but like that shit mental like absolutely mental like no that shit like tá like mom talk aku that shit more like muy dagers like it's a gloraku but like it like there should look post agus sin like ní cead acu ó ní cead acu
Caffeine, ní cad go caffeine, ní
nó
cad
ní cead acu
go
té na cáí na tá so
Stosin si de swingal.
agus cechu gahan si an nám na gan si ag na siúpa seo ag ílands soda so you can make your own soda rain á just mental agus like mar ví gan fi na gas sé like bí gus gas low play content agus all that crack for like it's a different life agus to be honest ní sam ba go mai ge go Utah nu tá mai ge definitely gan go Utah is like tá just like really in between like
you know what ní hé seo an céidir go muné na Mormons a phlé agus Utah a phlé ar an budcréile seo throwback ag líanaí warchu agus an PowerPoint presentation ar rinne si that is mór seki.
Cluster good. That's like I think should kill Nagra is fair London pod in which was like fucking the reveal of the PowerPoint presentation.
Rud eisteach fin sin a bhí lí i ggéir go steach san na Mormons.
Yes.
Is journey a bhám sí an is tíide. I would like imagine síl gan caí like.
Sílim go bhfuil fós cuid bag de lia atá gurí an síl sin a mín chuis si go Utah faoi go im líana. So níl an sort níl an obsession go homlan imethe go fáil sílam.
What does I just like a seal go home on the frole though? I know what fine to say the clips BYU. I think it's like in Mormon University, whatever. There's their TikTok. I guess it's like our bear lat, you know, $1 million na Bulula Joseph Smith, like in the patron saint, whatever the Mormon is, whatever, and like Joseph Smith, 100%, whatever. Literally in that high school, and like soaking.
No, she can tame. What do you like on every channel? If you're that kid gasser a waru, like that's a tough one. No,
no, it's not. No, it's not. But yeah, it's fucking. But like, I mean, to the place soaking, or in clár fasta.
No. Oh no, there's shit. Kid is there's shit routines for ní hin an focail ní seach Tá ceán eile a bhíonn de boga an labo.
No, that is it. Sinead, yeah. It's in Rud Kieran, I think.
Ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, it's a gentleman to catch for you, and you.
No.
Oh.
Well, my Gary festivalgum.
The galore Google Ali that's an history show.
No, she's Bearman and browser Kirshan.
Yeah, exactly.
Incognito mode.
And your nose.
It's simul. It's simul, I would say, maybe. I don't think you're not gonna see any videos about it anytime soon. I don't know.
Could agree sin ní chead acu cinnéisfa acu so duine siad bailí eile agus béidir bhain focail go dtú go se cinál.
It's a workaround, Merge Arthur.
So Jen she'd rudí eile hart there sin.
They have a workaround.
Tá rialacha acu atá go thomláin crackáilte nach níl an cíala bit méall is gnéistá like need aon doubt faoi like sin just mental. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm curious now, Elaine, is this like a thing? Will they like lard like soaking videos or Lena? There has to be.
Okay, I think and God do not turn you Lord.
I actually don't think we'll Amagun. I think we actually
no. Wow, shit, that's some note to finish on.
Yeah,
béidir ruí sásta í club seachtar seo.
Yes.
As man bh glob an chunir mai lia bei mise húsig dorn snéir in ghuiidor agus bei deir seachna iontahan sin be leor ceoltarí maithe, so tá go leor rá an deir seachna seo den gail nóil.
The Gael are eating well, Mar Jarnshit. They are eating.
Asian left no crumbs.
Etche agus gan rudder
Rogi ar bhí agal.
Acadí sin gurmáid a bhééis le na seansaí b me ráisiú sin chat showing. Acadí sin is féidir le lá man hoster ar seansaí ar Instagram, seansaí ar Twitter agus seansaí ar YouTube. Má gur aine amst man hosta tá mar anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter agus anywhere YouTube. Má gur James amst man hosta tá mar flairtach ar Instagram, flairtach ar Twitter agus flairtach ar Twitter, TikTok. I'm losing it. Agus with the Gary Mahain am the man hosta mar Hugh Carey Instagram, Hugh Carey Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Car TikTok. Solar Cretan Mudge, an gasta, gur mí maigad as ending at a geisha to where ag leo and your Gaelic immochri, which is fucking mental. Go just the much falshe and your more funche la Gaelic olam. So gur mí maigad as the Gaelic immochri chur an Yorsin le chella. Vima I was just being curious. I'm just in a Google arm hand, as I always do. Well, Earn Pod agus just Hanik ma. Hey, Tamachinga Lucha your question mark? Agus yeah, Fisha Sanchin sa pod creality agus simmer Ibrahim sa hardback nonfiction in airing full which is unbelievable. So so go hard just la Molly agus reach coming among it so Tamachinga a lose your. Great times. Listen, great time to be a Gael. Mar Jarnshit. But well in that game to fuck. So quick image.
Yeah, but yeah, I think we missed a shape off a lot.
James Stanford.
Well tá mac ala fao léithe chat ó héúsa so caihí go couple síbal ardistín sin.
Oh, definitely dá, yeah. Agus.
Aber couple padrin sin mahan is sur fuchin de faki.
That's what shape I'm more minute on.
Behind the soakers. Right. What are you sound to check shouting it? Agus David Rashery na agro nuair tá na shots. Slán.